Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be playing some Roblox. And my baby sister is here, right? Say hi.
Hi.
Yep, there she is. She's really cute. Okay. Yeah, la la la. I died. I'm sorry guys, but I died. Sorry I didn't record what I did. I was too busy, like, playing. Wow. Okay, here we are. Move it. We gotta go. Go. Okay, we're gonna make it. I hope we make it. Yes. Oh, I almost fell out. Wait, I'm the only one? Oh my gosh, you got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me, I'm the only one. I need a gravity coil then. I died. Oh my gosh. No, don't leave me. No. No. Okay, guys, we have to. Okay, I'm going down here. Okay, it's just 3 of us, so it's just not really good. I don't know how we're gonna. I'm already dying. Wow. How unfortunate.
Cheerleaders steal my computer, sabotage everything, yet zombies get the blame. It was stupid of us to think humans were going to change. You know, we tried doing it the nice way, now it's time to do it my way. Alright, we'll have a zombie uprising. Force them to make us equal, or we tear it all down. Like, I've been waiting my whole life, alright? I'm sick of waiting. With the cheer championship a few hours away, Bucky is purging anyone who is an anti-zombie. And that's a lot of people. What is this? Zombie flare? Here cut! Look at this. Our zombie apparel. Here cut! Bucky, what are you doing? Don't go. We are cheering.
Yep, that was super bad. I'm sorry, I was so quiet. Looks like everyone's going too hard. So that's why there's only been a little bit of people. Everyone's going too hard. You know what? I'm going too hard too then. If everyone's going too hard, I'm going to do it good. What? It's full now. I've never seen a hard so full. Oh my gosh. What is this? Okay, intermission is here. I did it, this time I did it early because I came on my phone. It's gonna make me slow. Oh, I love box trap. This is the easiest one I can do. Or not. Sometimes it's hard. The first time I did box trap, it was definitely bad. It's so horrible. You couldn't even imagine. Oh, phew. I thought I was gonna fall. I'm gonna stand strong. Ain't no keeping. That's what happened last time. What is? Oh, I know. Okay, I know what happened. Okay, here it is. Okay, I know what to do here. Wait here. Let's play smart too. We're gonna stay strong.
No sabotage.
Yeah. Beams. No, I know what to do. Go here. Go up here.
Put your hands together for our defending champion.
Okay. Okay, I'm still recording. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing this. No! Are you've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. Get up. Let me get up. Help. 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 Oh my gosh. I was guys, this is something really depressing. It's full. It's full. It's full. Yes, I got in there. Oh my gosh, I'm so lucky. I'm lucky, and I'm recording now. Oh, this is the luckiest thing ever. I'm gonna follow this girl. Looks like she knows what she's doing. I hope she knows what she's doing anyway. We're gonna stand strong. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. I'm lucky. Aren't I a lucky duck today? Mommy's here. Well, bye guys.